Assalamualaikum. Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Let me introduce myself. I'm your assistant teacher, Miss Aksa. So, students, today we are going to questions answer, fill in the blanks, true, false, and MCQs in this video of chapter number 16, Democracy and Women's Rights. So, students, take out the page number 126. So students, this is your SST book. So read this chapter with correct pronunciation and with lots of concentration. Now open your notebook and draw the margin lines and mention the date, mark the title page and write the question number 1. So what is the question number 1, students? The question number 1 is, what does democracy mean? So answer is, democracy comes from two Greek words, demos meaning people and kratos means power. For example, rule of the people. Question number 2, write few aspects of democracy. Answer is, a few aspects of democracy are: 1 is government chosen by the people through voting. 2 is equal right for everyone. 3rd is rule of law and order. 4 is freedom of speech, religion and meeting. Question number 3, who was Nelson Mandela? Answer is, Nelson Mandela is a black African lawyer, politician and statesman who brought independence to the black people of South Africa. Question number 4, name some of the humanitarian organizations in Pakistan. Answer is, the humanitarian organizations are Ahdi Foundation, Shaukat Khanum, Chief of Welfare Association. 4 is Al Khidmat. Question number 5. The question number 5 is, what are the two conditions of democracy to flourish? Answer is the two conditions for democracy to flourish are, the first one is, the people should have at least a minimum of education, reading and numbers. Second is, people should be responsible and prepared to exercise their democratic rights such as voting. Question number 6, what qualities make attract the successful leader for Turkey? Answer is, the qualities of attract are, he was sympathetic with the young Turks, he took steps to educate people in Turkey, he abolished the religious power of the Sultanate. Question number 7, who was Martin Luther King? Answer is, Martin Luther King was a black Baptist minister who became the leader of the civil rights movements to fight for justice for colored people in the USA. Now students, mark the heading, fill in the blanks and write the fill in the blanks number 1. Nelson Mandela brought independence to the black people of देश. So students, इस देश में क्या आएगा? South Africa. Second is, black people were not allowed to use to same buses, trains or coffees as the देश whites. Blank was elected president, declared as a vice president. So students, यहाँ पर Mandela आएगा. 4 is, Nelson Mandela resigned as president in 1999. Democracy comes from the Greek words demo and kratos. Roman democracy was similar to that of Greece. Martin Luther King was a black First Minister of USA. Mandela is a black African lawyer. Ataturk re-elected president in 1923. Kemal Ataturk was the Turkish soldier. Now students make the heading MCQs. Ataturk was born in Daesh, Grace, England, Africa. So students, correct option is Grace. Yasser Arafat died on Daesh, 11 November, 12 November, 18 December. So students, 11 November. Daesh set up a rival provincial government in the village of the Ankara in the north. Kemal Ataturk. Daesh people not use the same park benches or drinking fountains as white, black, both, black. King's Daesh was the abolish all form of discrimination. Options are M, hobby, routine. So correct one is M. Sixth one is in 1964 Dr. King was awarded the Daesh. Options are Nobel Peace Prize, Nishana Haider, both of them. So students, Nobel Peace Prize. 7 is in December 1994 Daesh were awarded the Nobel Peace Prize. Arafat and Rabin, King and Ataturk, Yemen and Kuwait. So students, the first one options is correct one, Arafat and Rabin. 8th one is the Daesh was founded in mid-19th century. So students, there are three options: Red Cross, White Cross, none of these. So correct one option is Red Cross. NGOs stand for Daesh, non-governmental organization, non-journal organ and journal organization. So students, non-governmental organization is the correct option. 10th one is Kemal Ataturk abolish Daesh, Islamic law, Sharia law, material law. So students, Islamic law.